Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can get verified on Roblox. So to get verified on Roblox, you're gonna have to open your browser, type in support form Roblox. You will see submit a request under help.roblox.com. So it will ask you to fill out a form. So let's go ahead, select submit a request. You will see a page like this, select contact us at the below section. Now at this page right here, make sure that you are logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged into your account, you will see a contact us form. Go ahead, type in your username. Even though it says optional, go ahead and type in your username of Roblox. Type in the first name. Confirm your email address after typing it in the first place. And likewise, under issue detail, simply select your device type. It doesn't matter which device type you use. Under type of health category, all you have to do is select something that is related with this maybe verification of your Roblox account. So simply select technical support and here type in that you would like to verify your Roblox account. Make sure that you fulfill the criteria of your verification process. You can also go ahead and mention the reasons that you would like to get verified on Roblox. Now, after you have done that, select continue, follow the on-screen prompt, and after a couple days or after a couple of business days, you will get an email back from Roblox to the same email address that you have mentioned here. So guys, this is how the process works. Thank you for watching.